Eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of eating healthy to get in shape. We're not talking about restrictive diets or quick fixes. This is about making sustainable changes to fuel your body with the good stuff. It's about feeling energized, strong and confident from the inside out. So let's ditch the processed junk and embrace the power of nutritious foods. Right, let's get down to it. When we talk about eating healthy, we're talking about giving your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. Think of it like building a house. You need strong foundations, right? Well, your body's foundations are built on things like protein, carbohydrates, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Now, where do we find these nutritional superstars? They're hiding in plain sight in colourful fruits and veggies, packed with antioxidants, lean proteins that help build and repair muscles, and whole grains that give you that sustained energy release. We're talking about swapping out that sugary cereal for a bowl of porridge with fresh berries, or ditching the processed snacks for a handful of almonds or a juicy piece of fruit. Think of your plate as a rainbow. The more colourful you make it with a variety of fruits and vegetables, the wider range of nutrients you're packing in. And don't forget those healthy fats. Avocado on toast, anyone? A drizzle of olive oil on your salad? These are your friends. Eating a variety of nutrient-rich foods isn't just about checking boxes, it's about feeling the difference. You'll find yourself with more energy throughout the day, your digestion will be happier, and you'll even sleep better. It's amazing what good food can do. Now, I know what you might be thinking, buddy, this all sounds great, but where do I even start? Don't worry, I've got your back. Throughout this series, I'm going to be sharing my favourite recipes and practical tips to make healthy eating easy and delicious, so stay tuned. Okay, so we've talked about the importance of nutrient-rich foods, but what about portion control? Now, I'm not a fan of calorie counting. It's just not a joyful way to eat, is it? Instead, let's focus on listening to our bodies and finding that sweet spot of feeling satisfied, not stuffed. A good rule of thumb is to start with a smaller portion than you think you need and see how you feel. You can always go back for seconds if you're genuinely still hungry. And remember, it takes about 20 minutes for your brain to register that you're full. So slow down, savor each bite, and give your body time to catch up. Another helpful tip is to be mindful of your plate composition. Aim for half of your plate to be filled with colourful vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and the remaining quarter with healthy carbohydrates like whole grains or starchy vegetables. Now let's talk about satiety. Foods that are high in protein and fibre will keep you feeling fuller for longer, preventing those pesky blood sugar spikes and crashes that leave you reaching for unhealthy snacks. Think about it this way. A bag of chips might seem satisfying in the moment, but it's gone in a flash, and you're left feeling hungry again soon after. But a meal that includes protein, fibre and healthy fats, that's going to keep you going for hours. Remember, finding your balance with portion control is a journey, not a race. It's about making small, sustainable changes that you can stick with for the long haul. Now let's talk about our gut. Did you know that our gut is often referred to as our second brain? It's true. It plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being, and a healthy gut starts with what we eat. One of the key players in digestive health is fibre. Think of fibre as the broom that sweeps through your digestive system, keeping things moving and grooving. It helps prevent constipation, promotes regularity, and feeds the good bacteria in our gut. Speaking of good bacteria, let's talk about the gut microbiome. It's like a whole ecosystem living in our intestines, and just like any ecosystem, we want it to be balanced and thriving. A diverse and balanced gut microbiome is linked to everything from a strong immune system to improved mood and cognitive function. So, how do we nourish our gut microbiome and keep those good bacteria happy? By eating a variety of fibre-rich foods, of course. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes. These are all fantastic sources of fibre. And here's a bonus tip. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut and kimchi are like probiotics on steroids. They're teeming with beneficial bacteria that can help repopulate and diversify our gut microbiome. Remember, a happy gut is a happy you. By prioritizing fibre and fermented foods, you'll be well on your way to improved digestion, a stronger immune system, and overall better health. Now, let's talk about how the right foods can fuel your workouts and help you recover faster. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, what you eat plays a crucial role in your performance and recovery. First things first, protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue, which is especially important after a workout when your muscles need to recover. Think of it as giving your muscles the building blocks they need to rebuild and come back stronger. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, tofu, and eggs. Aim to include a source of protein with each meal and snack to support muscle growth and repair. Carbohydrates are another important fuel source for our muscles. They provide the energy we need to power through our workouts. But don't reach for those sugary sports drinks just yet. Focus on complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits and vegetables, which provide sustained energy release. And don't forget about hydration. Water is essential for regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients and flushing out waste products. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during and after your workouts. Remember, food is fuel. By choosing nutrient-rich foods that support muscle growth, provide sustained energy and keep you hydrated, you'll be setting yourself up for success in the gym and beyond. Now, let's talk about the connection between food and our mental health. It's amazing how what we eat can impact our mood, focus, and overall cognitive function. Just like our bodies need nutrients to function properly, so do our brains. And when it comes to brain health, there are certain nutrients that take center stage. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel and sardines are like brain food superstars. They play a crucial role in brain structure and function, and studies have shown that they can improve mood, memory, and even protect against cognitive decline. Another brain-boosting nutrient is vitamin D. Often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D is produced by our bodies in response to sunlight exposure. However, many of us don't get enough sunlight, especially during the winter months, which can lead to vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to mood disorders like depression and anxiety. So how can we boost our vitamin D levels? Spending time outdoors in the sunshine is ideal, but we can also get vitamin D from certain foods like fatty fish, eggs, and fortified foods. In addition to omega-3s and vitamin D, other nutrients that are important for brain health include B vitamins, antioxidants, and zinc. These nutrients can be found in a variety of foods, including leafy green vegetables, berries, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Now, let's shift our focus to the long-term benefits of a healthy diet. Eating healthy isn't just about fitting into our genes today, it's about investing in our health for years to come. One of the most significant benefits of a healthy diet is its ability to reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, certain types of cancer, these are all serious health conditions that can be prevented or delayed by making healthy lifestyle choices, including eating a nutritious diet. A diet that is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains and healthy fats has been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, improve blood sugar control, and decrease inflammation. All factors that contribute to a healthier heart and a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. Furthermore, a healthy diet can also support a healthy weight, which is a major factor in preventing chronic diseases. By choosing nutrient-rich foods over processed foods and sugary drinks, we can maintain a healthy weight and reduce our risk of developing weight-related health problems. But it's not just about preventing disease, it's about living a longer, healthier life. A healthy diet can boost our immune system, improve our energy levels, enhance our mood, and even sharpen our cognitive function. Remember, the choices we make today have a direct impact on our health tomorrow. By adopting a healthy eating pattern, we're setting ourselves up for a brighter, healthier future. So, as we've seen, eating healthy is not just about losing weight. It's about nourishing your body and enhancing your life. It's about having more energy, feeling your best, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit from these tips. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. and I'm here to support you every step of the way. Hope you enjoyed the fun background music as well.